Good morning, you guys. Welcome back to my channel. Today's Friday, August 28th. I have another moving vlog for you guys. Today's day 4. It's 10 o'clock now. I've been up for about 2 hours. I edited a vlog and some exciting things are happening. I'm getting my couch today. I couldn't find a white sectional sofa anywhere. Like, all of the IKEA ones I wanted are sold out, and I just happened to come across the one from IKEA that I really wanted. I found it on Facebook Marketplace, so I'm so excited. I'm gonna get a U-Haul later on this evening and we're gonna go pick it up because I need a couch. It's like barely used. It's been used for like maybe, I think she said a year. It's in great condition, so I'm so excited, and I got it for such a cheap price because it's used. If you guys are also moving into your first apartment, I would also recommend Facebook Marketplace just because moving expenses are ridiculous. It's just an easy way to buy furniture at a lower price. I'm so excited, but I'm actually gonna go on a walk through the neighborhood right now because I want to walk to Target. I want to go get a few things, look at some decor, but I figured I would walk because if I walk, then I can't buy that much stuff and spend more money. That's how I'm looking at it. So I literally just threw on some clothes. I just threw on this Sixers t-shirt. Wow, feeling like a true Philly girl. My Amazon Lululemon Align dupes, and then some Nike free runs. So I'm just walking. It's so nice out, and I'm listening to Lauren Elizabeth's podcast, her newest episode. It's a gorgeous day in Philadelphia. Another sweaty update here. I just got back from Target. I figured I'd show you guys what I got. It's gonna be weird when I'm like vlogging from like this in the kitchen just because all the light is coming this way, but I'll figure it out. I think I'm gonna get a ring light because I don't have one, which is weird because I make YouTube videos and everyone has ring lights. So I'm not gonna put these on the counter. I got some Clean Canteen straws. I really needed some metal straws. I love that they're metal, and then this part is like rubber silicone. Love that. I got 2 things of this sugar-free chai. I talked about this in a recent vlog, and I love this shit. It's been sold out ever since I found it, so I'm really glad I got these. Okay, honestly, like, this was not a necessary purchase, but I saw them and I was like, oh, but they're so cute. You guys, look at these sweatbands. They were only like $22. They look a little big. I got a medium, but they're like this adorable pastel tie-dye. I'm gonna wear them after I get a shower, and then they just cinch at the bottom. They're so cute, but I bought them because they're like so incredibly soft. So I'm gonna try these out. I might have to return them and get a small, but then I got a little bin because I needed a bin to like organize some hair products, and they really didn't have many options. I also got some pistachios, salt and pepper pistachios, because these are the best pistachios out there, and they were on clearance. So I'm gonna shower and I will see you guys back in the kitchen in a few minutes. Please bear with me on the lighting, but I just showered. I put some makeup on. I put these sweatpants on. I like them. I think they're really cute. As for the pancakes, I'm basically just gonna throw some shit in the blender and see what happens. I also don't have any big pans. I'm gonna have to make them like 1 by 1 or just do like 2 big ones. Let's see, what should we start with? I'm gonna do 3 egg whites. Oh, there goes the egg. I did 2 egg whites and I got like half of a yolk in there, which is fine. I'm gonna throw in this Garden of Life protein powder. I'm gonna do like half a scoop. I'll do like 2 stevias. 1/4 cup of quick oats. Lastly, my favorite, spinach. Well, not my favorite, but gotta get your greens in there. I always start my breakfast off with some sort of green. I'm stacking on some grapes because a bitch is hungry. We'll start with just a little splash of almond milk. A little bit of chia seeds because why not? Some fiber and omega-3s. Now we blend. Oh, it's not plugged in. I'm such an idiot. I just added a splash of almond milk, and I'm gonna do half a banana. It's a little bit liquidy, but it works. And I'm gonna throw some frozen blueberries in there. And then I'm gonna throw a few of these in there. They're sugar-free and they're vegan, and the calories are really low, and they're low FODMAP friendly. So if you have gut problems like me, you won't have any issues. These are gonna be huge. So I just finished making them. I put a little bit of my favorite RX nut butter on here. You guys know I love this stuff. The other half of the banana. And then I just threw some sugar-free syrup on here. So I'm gonna go eat these and I will see you guys after this with the Princess Polly haul. So I just ate my breakfast and I got a few things from Princess Polly. I wanted to show you guys, as most of you know, or if you don't know, I am starting a new job September 9th, obviously. Why I moved. So I got a few things that were just good for the fall, things that seemed cozy that I could wear to work. The first thing, I got a large. It's this cropped oversized sweater. It is so soft. It's called the Soldier Crop Jumper and it's in this really nice gray, but this doesn't even feel like a sweater. Like, you can just tell it's so nice, and it just has really big sleeves that kind of like flare out at the end, and it's cropped. But I thought this was really cute and good for the fall. The next thing I got in hopes of things opening again when we go out. I also didn't think that they were this patent. I literally have to pull them apart. Oh, they smell so bad. They're called the Midnight Eye Pants and they have a zipper up here. I really want to try these on. I'm pretty sure they were final sale, which kind of sucks. I don't know. These looked better on the model. I mean, honestly, like, I could probably rock that together. We'll see. We'll see. I also got this, which, oh my god, I'm obsessed with. I think this is so cute, and I tried it on. It looks adorable on. It's like a really soft denim. It's a crop denim jacket with these gorgeous little knit sleeves. I thought this was so cute. This is called the Badlands jacket. I thought this was just a perfect light jacket for the fall time. I mean, even just to wear out. I don't know if I can wear denim at work, but I'm pretty sure I can. But I thought this was so cute. Next thing I got is a belt, because I only have like black and gold belts, and sometimes there's just too much gold going on between like a purse and a belt and like a bunch of jewelry, because I wear a bunch of gold jewelry. I got this all black snakeskin belt. I just thought it was really cute. Just like a good staple to have in my wardrobe. And lastly, I got a phone case because I'm a psychopath and change my phone case every day. I think I'm gonna put this on now, actually. I just liked how there's like these little bumpers on the side, and obviously like this like light sage green color is pretty trendy right now. That's everything. What time is it? 1:21. I need to call my mom because she just got done training, because we need to order a U-Haul for tonight. I'm so excited that this is happening. I'm like, wow. I feel so relieved, truly. I think I'm gonna make some healthy cookies. If I do, I'll show you guys in the next clip, but I think I'm just gonna chill and edit because I have 3 days worth of vlogs to edit. So that's gonna be it for right now. Hi guys, a little update. It is currently 4:20. I was actually just about to go on a walk, and then I was like, my apartment's really dark and I had to turn lights on, and then I checked the weather and I realized we're supposed to get a big storm right now. So I was gonna go out and get some stainless steel cleaning supplies just because I love clean stainless steel and I don't have any here. So I was gonna do like a nightly walk. Obviously I don't have any gym equipment here. I haven't signed up to go to a gym yet. I'm trying to be as active as I possibly can without having like a membership or something right now. Something I will miss is my gym at home, obviously. If you guys are new here, my mom owns a gym, so I will miss it. I feel like today has been lazy yet productive, if that makes sense. I did end up making cookies. I'll show you guys them. They're also pretty healthy, so it's great. I just like always like to have like a baked good in the house. I got the U-Haul for tonight. I feel like I should just keep vlogging every day because I'm just like doing a lot of stuff. I'm gonna make some dinner soon, but right now I'm going to put these LED lights in the back of my TV because I have them on my TV in my bedroom and I love them. So I'm gonna do this and then I'm gonna color code my closet. I also wanna do some laundry, so let's do it. After a long 10-minute struggle, I finally got the lights up. You guys can like change the colors. I've showed you guys this before. My TV in the other room has it too. Let's try this lighting. Pretty horrendous. Anyway, I just did my first Instagram story type vlog and it was so awkward. I showed you guys how to make this little mocktail, so I'm gonna hang some picture frames, but I just wanted to sip on something fun because it's Friday night. Even though like my night's not ending, it's only 5 o'clock. I think just because of the storm, it seems a lot later. But let me know if you guys like those kinds of like Instagram story type vlogs, because I would really appreciate the feedback. And if you're not following me on Instagram, it's just keeelaniii Anastasi. Hello, it is now about 6 o'clock. I didn't color code my closet. I got some stuff hung up that I wanted to hang. Everything's kind of like temporary until I kind of finish my living room, which I'm so excited that I'm getting the couch tonight. I really didn't expect it to happen today. I have these pillows that I'm gonna put on it. I think they're so cute. I got them from Amazon. I actually just hung a little hook here just in case I like ever forget my keys, because I'm truly known for locking myself out of my house. I cleaned up this area, decluttered it a little. I put my Chanel coffee table book down there. I'm kind of liking this setup right now, actually. And then I hung this mirror right here because I didn't know what else to do with it. And what I want to do is, this is actually meant for hanging plants. So I want to get some like grass at Home Depot tomorrow. Not grass, greenery. And put some soil in here and have some greenery hanging down. I think that's gonna be so cute. This is from IKEA. I think it's called the Mickey mirror. I got it a few years ago. And then over here, I just hung up these 2 picture frames because I wanted to put something on this wall for now, but I'm probably gonna change these. I'm about to make dinner. I've been making the same thing every night just because it's what I bought. I'm gonna make some air fried jicama fries, which I did show in a previous vlog. And then I'm gonna make this turkey burger that I've been making every night because I have 1 turkey patty left. And I need to eat before 6:30. When Justin gets here, and then we have to go get the U-Haul. We still have a long night ahead of us. So I have the turkey patty cooking. I just put it on. And then I also have my jicama fries in the air fryer. I'm about to season it, so I'll show you guys what I do. I really like chili lime seasoning, so I put a little bit of that on there. And then a little bit of the everything but eloped seasoning from Trader Joe's, and a little salt and pepper. It looks like a lot, but I promise you guys, it cooks off in this pan. Also obsessed with this pan. I got it at Walmart. It's like a grill pan. It was like 30 bucks, but very, very worth it. So the burger's almost done. As you guys can see, a little bit of the fat drips out. It's 92% lean turkey that they use for those patties. So I love that you guys can literally see the fat dripping out. And then I put a handful of spinach on the pan too, and I saute it. And then I do the Trader Joe's sprouted wheat sourdough. I was unsure if this would be okay for me to eat, but sourdough is low FODMAP, and I really like this bread a lot. So basically I spray both sides of it. Let me try picking it up. Yeah, so you spray both sides with a little coconut oil, and then it just gets nice and crispy. You don't even have to use a toaster, and it warms it up perfectly. And then I'm gonna put a little bit of vegan cheese on here, some ketchup, and you guys will see the finished product. So this is the finished product. These are the jicama fries. They're so good. I like them nice and thin and crispy. And then this is the burger. As you guys can see, I just layered everything on there and then added some of the cheese. It's so good, you guys, so filling, plenty of nutrients, and a really balanced meal. So I'm gonna go eat this, and then Justin should be here really soon, and we're gonna go get the U-Haul.
Hi guys, it's Justin Epfanio. Welcome to my channel.
Oh my God.
I just wanted to share with you guys that Keeelaniii has no idea how to drive a U-Haul.
It's actually terrifying. This is honestly the scariest thing I've ever done in my life.
We've got like a prison back here just in case anyone needs to get locked up. Alright, see ya. Alright guys, time for Keeelaniii to back a U-Haul into a random stranger's driveway. Let's see how this goes. Back up, okay. I feel like you're not. Readjust. Okay. Yup, straight on. You got this.
I do.
We are in driveway. We have made contact. Yup.
Oh
Yes.
I'm impressed with myself.
Let's go. Like a hot dog in a hallway, am I right, fellas? Yeah.
I don't want to hit it.
Oh boy. Good work. Yes. Come on. Don't leave me hanging. Thank you.
Hi guys, it is currently 10:30. I think the last time I talked to you guys was around 7:30. We were in the U-Haul. That was quite an experience. I'm proud of myself. 3 hours later, we are done. We did it. I'm so excited to show you guys. Fits absolutely perfectly. Like, this is just one of those things that's just meant to be. And this is what it looks like. I'm gonna get a coffee table, I think tomorrow, or an ottoman. I might just do an ottoman, but it looks so good. Also, I put these pillows on because I think they look so cute. That's it for the night. It ended up being quite the tiring day. I'm gonna go to bed now. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.